So today we will discuss about the Ansible variable, right? So what is Ansible variable? It's a very simple thing. Let's understand what is actually a variable, right? Where
Share the screen.
okay, just a minute. Let me share my screen. Okay, so I think you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's understand simple in a programming language what is variable and why will we use a variable. Can you please tell me why will we use the variable in the program? Hello. What is actually variable and what is the benefit when we will use the variable? What is the benefit? You can just give one example. Uh, then it's also okay. Hello.
Yes.
Hmm. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. What is the variable and what is the benefit when we will use the variable? Then what is the benefit? The voice is very low. Hello. Hello. Yes. Your voice is very low.
Hello.
Okay. So actually, what is the benefit? Suppose let's there is a value, right? There is a suppose let it be a IP. Okay, let it be a IP. Okay, and we have to change this IP in your program like 15 place, right? In your program, you have to change your IP in 15 place. So if you will go for change this manually one by one, okay, and it will take time. If you will declare a variable, right, and when we will change just one place, right, you change the one place, the IP, and it will automatically change the 15 number of place. Okay, so if uh, for such cases, we will go for the variable. In similarly, in the Ansible also, Ansible variable are used to store and retrieve the value that can be reflected throughout our playbook. So this is the same thing. Okay. Variable means we just keep the value uh, in a particular name, and we just call this variable in our playbook. There means maybe it one, two, three, or any places we can just call this variable. So let's understand in this simple playbook example, right? You can see here. This is the Ansible playbook, right? And we already have in your previous class, we have already studied about the how to write the Ansible playbooks. Okay, so here host is a demo and become is S. Okay, and here connection is SSH connection. Okay, and here I have declared a variable. Okay, this is the new things. Okay, so here I have declared a variable, and in the variable, this is the key. Okay, this is the key, and this is the variable. Okay, so when we will do a task here, like install the HTTPD on Linux, then the action, okay, and use the yum module. Name is, okay, name is package name. You can see here this package name. Okay, this package name inside this calling bracket. Okay, you can say this is a also a Jinja template also. Okay, this is also a Jinja template. Or through this Jinja template, we can call the variable. Hmm. So in this curly bracket, we have mentioned the this key. Okay, in the YAML file, we know already this YAML file is represented in a key and value format. So in this key and value, we just represent, we just call this in a key value. Okay, only key, only call the key, and it's automatically reflect to the this value. Okay, automatically reflect to the this value, and state is present. Okay, so in this way we can use the variable. So instead of httpd we can use anything. Okay, httpd we can use git. So let me first do a small demo first. Okay, and then we will go for the next. I'm just copy this one. And go to, this is my uh, timeout. This is my master Ansible server, and this is my uh, node server. Okay, so this is timeout. Just wait. Okay, log into this. I also log into the node server. Okay, so this is my master server. If I go through Ansible, Ansible demo, then main. Okay, so it's already connected to my this server. Okay, so let me do one YAML file sudo var dot yml, press enter. Sorry, sudo pi var dot yml. Okay, insert, just go to this and copy this thing and paste it here. Okay, so here is the capital. So let me put the small picture. Okay, so how we will apply the playbook? Can you please tell me how we can, what is the command for to apply the playbook? Hello, what is the command?
Hmm?
What is the command
Well,
to apply a playbook? How we can apply the playbook? Means execute the playbook. Hello, hello.
yeah.
Mhm. How we can execute the playbook? I have already written the playbook. Okay, name as var.yaml. So how we can apply this playbook? Means execute to the playbook which is executed and install the Apache server in the node machine. What is the command for that? Okay, so remember this command. So the command is Ansible hyphen playbook.
Pleasant name.
Okay, and the playbook name. Okay,
Pleasant name.
and let's check. First we have to dry run this one. Before execute
Yeah.
any playbook, you have to dry run. Check, press enter. It's gather the information. Okay, then you can see two okay and one changed. Okay, so it will install the Apache server. Okay, so let's execute this command and see. Press enter. Okay, so it will take time and install. Okay, if I will go to this, and if you will check sudo system ctl sudo systemctl, then uh, uh, status httpd. Okay, so it's a inactive. So it's an inactive position. When we will go for to like start the server, then it will active, huh? So this thing we will do in the next demo. Okay, so let me check one thing, git is installed or not. So let's check git. Okay, you can see this server is not there. Okay, so let's install the git. So let me uninstall first this thing. How we will uninstall? Suppose we have installed the this httpd means apache server, then how we can uninstall? What we will change here in this playbook, then it will uninstall. Can you please tell me? Hello.
State equal to absent.
State equals to absent, right? State equal to absent, and save this file and execute the playbook. Okay, so let's go to the Ansible node and check the status. You can see this is uninstalled. Okay, the httpd is uninstalled. So let's do one thing. Instead of this httpd, okay, instead of httpd, let me write here git. Then what will happen, we can say, if I will declare the variable. Okay, here in the variable section, the package name, in the package name I have mentioned the package name is git. Okay, then what will happen here? And here you have to present present. Okay, status is present. Then what will happen here? Hello.
Hmm. For hello.
Yes, yes. If I if
Now,
yes, yes, tell me. Okay.
now git install.
Yes, yes, yes. Git is install. Okay. In this place, the package name is in the package name. Okay. This is the variable called in a Jinja template. It's written in a Jinja template. So instead of this, it will written like Git. Okay, and Git will install. So let's save this one and apply the playbook. Let's see what will happen. Okay, one change. Let's check. If I will go to this present, so if I go to which Git, let me go to which Git. Okay, Git is installed. Otherwise, it will not show. Hmm. Which Git? Okay. So this thing is so here. Okay. So in this way, we can use the variable. Then the variable section is over. Let's go to the handler. So what is the handler? Also, it's a very important thing, and interviewer also asks this question many times. What is an Ansible handler? So handler is a exactly the same as a task. Okay, but it will run. But it will run when called by another task. Okay, so it's a depend upon the another task handler. So means what is the example? Means the example is when the HTTPD server is installed, then after the another task will execute. The task name is to start the HTTPD server. So unnecessary means when the server is not started, then unnecessary the um, tags means the to start the HTTPD. server tags will not exist. Okay, so let's understand this playbook. So you can see here. Okay, so this is the host name, become is, and connection is SSH connection, and here you can see the tags. Okay, so in this tag section, install the HTTPD on Linux. Okay, and this thing we have already known about this, and action in this action we just written like name equals to httpd and state is present, and it will install the httpd server. And here we have mentioned the notifier. You can see here, this is the notifier. Okay, so in this notifier what will happen? Okay, we have written the restart httpd. Okay, and this thing is always same as this thing, otherwise it will not work. It should be same. Okay, this thing should be same. And after this we have mentioned the handler section. Okay, in this handler the name is restart httpd. Okay, so what will happen? The handler will check this tax is complete or not, means the above tag, the notified tax. You know what is the notified tax? The notified tax is to install the httpd server. So handler name check the httpd server is installed or not. If the httpd server is installed, then this handler section will work. Like action equal to service. Okay, in this we are using the yum module, but here we will use the service module for to restart the our service, means httpd server we have to start and name the httpd, and state is restarted. Okay, not restart, it's restarted. Okay, so let's execute this playbook and let's see. Okay, let's go to the create another playbook. Sudo pi handlers.yaml, press enter, go to this, copy this playbook. Okay, copy this one, search, press it here, save it, and execute the playbook. So Ansible playbook and the playbook name. Okay, so let me do like sudo. Okay, let me do here sudo, and if I will check this one. Okay, so can you please tell me this command will work or not? If I will do the sudo ansible. Okay, sudo means the
Yes,
supreme user.
work.
So
Yes,
this
super
command
user.
will execute or not? Hello.
That file there,
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
the file there, uh, just work, you know.
Yes, my question is if it will work or give some error. If I will use the sudo, you can
Yes,
see
work.
in the before execution, playbook execution, I just use the Ansible playbook and the playbook name. But if I will do here sudo, then it will work or not? Hello.
I think error come
Okay. So why the error will come?
because not give pseudo privilege.
No, no, no. Okay, you are right, but it will give the error. Okay, just if I will do s. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so why this error came? So this error came because when we will do the SSH connection. we have established the SSH connection between the EC2 user. Let me who am I? Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. Who okay, you can see this is the EC2 hyphen user. So I have established a connection, SSH connection, EC2 user to EC2 user. So when we will in EC2 user and execute the playbook, then it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So it's a best practice that you have to maintain the user should be same in the master machine as well as in your node machine. Okay, you have n number of suppose node, then you have to maintain this thing. Otherwise it will not work. It's a very important thing also. What happened here? What happened? Okay, let me cancel this one. Okay, let me again open it. Oh, my net connection. Stop. Just hello.
तो डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं लगी.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, my net connection disconnected. Okay, so let me again share my screen and again connect to the server. Okay, so this is the Ansible master machine. Just go to the notes. Fine. So let's go to this master machine. Okay, and here I have already written the handler. So let's execute the handler and see what happens. Ansible hyphen playbook, okay, handler, and check for dry run, press enter. Okay, changed. Okay, what will happen here? It's like the paste server HTTP port. Okay, so who can say why this error will came? Why this error came? Hello. It's a very interesting question. Hello.
Yes.
Yes. So why this error came? Here written as failed. Okay, failed. Changed false.
You can't find like HTTP server. That's what.
Let me just get handler. Okay, okay. This is the our playbook and see and try to uh, like debug this error. I I have execute this command. Okay, just try run this one. Then
The HTTP service was not installed. That is why it cannot
good, good, very good,
restart.
very good. Yes. Actually, what happened in the dry run, when we will do the dry run, it will just check whether the code is correct or not. Okay. So it's just go to the server. Okay. Go to the node machine and check the HTTPD server will be installed or not. Okay, so it installed, but in the handler section what will happen when the httpd server is installed? Okay, when the httpd server is installed, then only it will restart the server. It's the actually concept of handler. When we will do the dry run, what will happen, it's only check whether it will installed or not. Okay, fine, it's one check. Then go to the handler section and check. What check? The restart httpd, the notified section. Okay, you can see here this notified section. Okay, this notified section, it will check the restart httpd, it will redirect to notified section. Okay, when the handler section, the name is restart httpd, it will redirect to notified section. And in this notified section, what will it will check? It will check the whether the httpd server is installed or not. If it installed, then it will work, otherwise it will give the error like this. Okay, so if I will do remove the check here, dry run, press enter, let's see what will happen. Okay, you can see here it will execute. I think you got my point now.
Yeah.
Actu- Actually, what thing here happened, I think you understood this thing. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm? So it's a actually when we will clear your concept, then you can understand this thing, otherwise you can't. Okay, so if I will go to this, if I will go to the node server and do the sudo system systemctl. Okay, sudo systemctl status httpd, press enter, it's running and active. Okay, but previously we means when the I will execute the var.yaml file, that time it only installed but not active. But in the handler, when we will use the and handler, means just it installed and it will also restart, means the start the server. Okay, so this is the handler thing. And let's go to the next one, that is the Ansible loop. Okay, so can you please tell me in which case we will go for the loop? What is the, just give me the some small scenario.
Multiple users, multiple package installation.
No, 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 go not go for the Ansible thing, just layman thing. Okay, why we will go for the loop?
For, for the repeated work
Yes, for the
for
repeated
execution.
work, means when we will do the same work. Okay, just Biruvai just told like the when we will do the multiple user. Okay, in the multiple user, what we will do? We will just do the create a one user and go to create a one another user. Okay, so if we will do the same thing, okay, if we will do the same thing, then it will what happen, it will time consuming. If I will use the loop, if I will use the loop there, then what will happen, we just execute the command. Okay, and it's automatically do the things, okay, repeatedly. Hmm. This is the loop. And what is the Ansible loop? In Ansible, a loop is a mechanism that allow you to interact over a set of value or eliminate and perform a task for each item in the set. So it's a basic loop playbook structure. Okay, you can see here this is the basic loop playbook structure here. But actually this one, so it's a demo host become, okay, connection is SSH. Okay, so a name is create user, you can see. So in this playbook we will create a user. So in this playbook, you can see the name is item. It's a like a you can say it's under a Jinja. I have already told you na this thing is the Jinja template. Here also use the Jinja template. Okay, in the loop section also Ansible used the Jinja template. Inside the Jinja template, it's mentioned the what, first is the name. Okay, this item dot name is the name. Okay, and mention the password also. Okay, mention the password like item dot pass, item dot pass pipe pass dot is a encryption. Okay, and
Yeah.
the present state is present means it will create a user. And here is the loop. In the loop section you can see here name equals to user1, password means this one, it will take this one. Name means this Jinja template. Okay, this is the name one. Okay, and name is user1, and password means it will take this one. Password is what, secure underscore password one.
Yes.
This is the password. And second user it will create like user2 secure underscore password 2. Okay, so I think you understood this playbook, and let's execute. Or do you have any doubt in this playbook? Hello.
No, no,
Hmm?
no.
Okay, so let's copy this one and go to the Ansible master, and then create a playbook first. Sudo vi loop.yaml. Okay, insert, paste it here. So instead of this password, let me change this one. Actually this password is bigger, very big password. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and in this section just do 1 2 3 4. Okay, so password, just remember this password and we will execute this password in the our uh, Ansible node machine. It will, the user will create it or not. Just save this one and Ansible hyphen playbook, and the playbook name. And if I will go for check, let's check, gather the information. Okay, 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 everything is fine. It will create a user. Okay, so let's execute our playbook. Press enter. Okay, so our playbook is executing. So let's go to the node machine. Okay, time out. Just wait. So can you please tell me how we can check or how we can switch the user?
Uh, Sudo username. No, no. Username.
Yes, SU
Yeah.
username. Switch user. Okay, SU switch user and the username. SU, what is the user? First user is
User one.
user1. SU user1, press enter. It will ask for the password.
One
The
two
what is
three four.
1 2 3 4 na?
Three, four. Uh,
Okay, you can see. can see if I will do who am I user 1. Let's exit from it. Okay, and let's go to the second user 2. Okay, it will
Yes.
also
One, two, three, four,
ask for
five.
the password. 1 2 3 4 5 na.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so if I will do who am I, it will show the user 2. Okay, just exit from it. Hmm. So in this way, you can use. Suppose you have to assign create a 10 user. Then what we will do? You will, if you will do the manual way, then it will difficult. Okay, so it's better to use this Ansible loop. It will create a multiple users just a few seconds. Okay, so let's go to the another one. Okay, so okay, you can see this one. What happened? Okay, you can see this one. This is the Ansible condition. Okay, it's a very interesting thing. So Ansible condition is what, when we have different server, like suppose we have Red Hat, okay, and we have Ubuntu. So if we have different server, means our master is fixed. Okay, our master is fixed, but we have in the node machine, in the node machine, suppose we have one node is our Red Hat family, and another node we have like Debian family. Okay, then why if I will go for the install the Apache server, then how it will work? Okay, because you remembered when we will install the Apache, then we use the yum module, because our node server is the our Red Hat family. Okay, so that's why we will use the yum module. Okay, so if our server is one node is uh, suppose Red Hat family, and another one is Debian family, then how it will work? The solution is Ansible have the like Ansible has the solution. The solution is Ansible condition. It will
Yes.
if the condition, like if the OS, okay, when the OS is Red Hat family, then execute the yum module. When the OS is Debian family, then execute the apt module. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the example. Okay, you can see this is the example. We can the host name become connection. You have already known about this, and the tags. Here you can see the tags. Tags name equal name is the install Apache on Red Hat. Okay, Red Hat command is yum hyphen y install and httpt. Okay, and when Ansible OS family. Okay, when Ansible OS family equal to Red Hat, then it will work. Okay, and second tags is name equal to install the Apache on Debian family. Okay, so app name is Apache 2, state is present when the uh, Ansible underscore OS underscore family equals to Debian. So you have to remember these things. Okay, Ansible underscore OS underscore family equals to Red Hat or equal to Debian. So let's copy. Let me first create the Ansible file. Okay. Sudo vi .yml, press enter, insert, and copy this one, paste it here, and change the host name. Here I have taken a small d. Okay, okay. So sudo sorry, execute the playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook and playbook name j. Gather the fact. Okay, you can see, here, and can you tell me what will happen here? I think already HTTPD is installed. Okay, that's why it's skip.
In Linux,
To
in
skip.
Amazon Linux, so it is Debian family.
It's also Amazon Linux is the Debian family, so it will skip. Okay, so let's execute and see what will happen. It will install the HTTPD server. Okay, you can see what will happen here. First, gather the fact, okay, and say it's okay. Then install the HTTPD on a Red Hat. Okay, so Amazon Linux is in the Red Hat family, and it will use the Yum module. Okay, and skip the Debian family. Debian family like Ubuntu. Okay, this is in the Debian family. Then it will skip this one. Okay, you can see here two okay means first to gather the facts is okay and change in the node server, and change one change and skip is one. I think you understood this thing, or you have
Why
any
change
question?
come there? Why one change come to here? Because already HTTP already installed.
No, that time I have absent this one na,
Oh,
uninstall this
okay,
one.
okay.
That time just to showed the I think I showed you. Yes, just uninstall this one. Okay, and that's why it will show like a changed equals to 1. Okay, so okay, so for this today, this is about for today's class.